I've been getting a lot of wind noise in my audio, and I'm trying to fix it, but everything I do doesn't seem to work. I'm using the smartLav mic Pro, I think it is. But whenever I use it, there's a lot of wind noise. And I do have like wind protection on there. I used this like wind muff here that's actually meant to be on my camera to make the wind noise go away. I've got pop filters on the microphone itself. I've used a different microphone, but everything I try to do doesn't seem to work. And my vents are closed. I don't know if you're able to see them, but my vents, that's open, it's closed. But even that doesn't seem to work. The top ones are closed. I don't know if it's just because it's the RGC CS15. Yeah, CS15. I could always try my my AGV KS 3SV or something like that. I could try that to see if that works. But the only issue there is the GoPro mount isn't in the right position where it needs to be. And most of the time my partner wears his helmet. And I don't want to put a microphone in there permanently. But yeah, every time I try and record, like I'm trying to make the audio as good as it can be, but there's always a lot of wind noise. I'll see if I can find the clip and put it in. But yeah, there's just a lot of wind noise, and I want to remove it, but everything I do doesn't work. But yeah, like it's just going into my GoPro Hero 9. Yeah, like it's just going into my GoPro Hero 9 with the media mod. But it doesn't seem to want to work very well. I've also had an issue with my GoPro Hero 9 to where it says low battery at, like, it's normally around 40%, and it records for like 10 seconds and then it says comes up with a low battery warning. I don't know why it's doing that, because it's set to unlimited runtime, but yeah, it's really annoying. On top of the wind noise, this turning off when it reaches 45% is very frustrating. So yeah, if you have ways to fix this as well, that would be amazing. And I don't know why. So if you guys have any suggestions of how to remove the wind noise, that would be muchly appreciated. And I will be looking at all the comments.